RLMD Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention with Relmada Therapeutics is that this is like such a interesting bearish market in a way where I'm trying to be kind of not nice, but zooming out, like when we began this year, actually that's from last year, 2024, in October, beginning of December, crashed, and since then it's been hard to recover. I mean, I would say it's on a great wave up the moment I start seeing some full candle closes above 52 cents. Again, it's not a small deal. Even today we kind of tried to pump and then kind of crashed. So honestly, without no power behind this, I'm not gonna look to buy. I mean, I'm saying this like in a very easy way, but this took me 5 years to kind of understand all the intricacies and the other stuff. So if you want to learn that, you don't want to spend 5 years of your time, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. But regarding RLMD, if there's a shift, then a sell side might even occur, right? But again, this is not me selling. It's me waiting for rules. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.